Restore corrupted MS Word DOTM files. Let us resolve Word header corruption issue. Word is unable to read this document. Issues that can occur in MS Word application. Generally, these errors appear when your DOTM file gets corrupted or MS Word cannot access the file. A corrupt file cannot be opened, making it impossible to edit the document. MS Word automatically detects issues if any document shows unusual behavior in their functionality. But there are some errors which the MS Word cannot detect and results in corruption of the document. In this video, we'll discuss how you can restore and recover corrupted MS Word DOTM files easily. But before that, let's have a look why the DOTM files get corrupted. Some common reasons why a DOTM file gets corrupted are: DOTM file corrupted due to virus attack and system malfunction. File corruption due to broken links during downloading. The appearance of error messages like, "File is corrupt or damaged," on screen. Improper shutdown results in inaccessible DOTM files. Natural disasters or human errors also cause DOTM files corruption. Recovering the DOTM file can be a challenging task. However, with the SysInfo DOTM File Repair Tool, you can recover the highly corrupted DOTM files easily. Important features of the tool are: the tool is 100% secure and has a simple interface, thus, a non-technical user can easily use this tool. Perform a deep recovery process. The tool extracts and recovers all the data including video, graph, audio, etc. A user can also remove the corrupt DOTM files from the control list. Before saving, you can preview your documents. Batch file recovery. The tool is capable of recovering multiple DOTM files at a time. Thus, saves a lot of time and effort. It recovers the data without any changes and alteration. Working of the tool. Download the tool. We have given the download link in the description. Now run the tool. In the menu bar, click on the Add DOTM button. Select the desired DOTM file which you want to repair. A list of files will be shown. Click on the Repair button to repair the corrupted files. Now click on the Browse button and select the location where you want to save the final output. Click on the Save button to start the saving process. Wait until the process gets completed. Once the process gets completed, click on the link to see the repaired files in the desired location. Finally, click on the Exit button to close the application. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Please share your valuable comments, and we hope you enjoyed the video.
Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.